Alright, what's up y'all? So I'm here with my 2003 Lexus LS 430. What I need to do today is a transmission fluid flush. Alright, so here I have the OEM automatic transmission fluid type T4. You just look through your manual, look on your dipstick. It should tell you which automatic transmission fluid you need for your vehicle. For mine, this is what I need, so I just ordered it. Just through Amazon, came in 2 days, and so pretty cool. So the tools you need, I got my car lifted up on just these just drive up ramps. Alright, transmission fluid, I have a long neck transmission or just fluid funnel. Alright, and I just have that set up on my transmission dipstick. Take out this cover and there's nothing but 10mm bolts, so make sure you have a 10mm socket and ratchet. You also need a bucket of some sort for the fluid to come out from. Alright, you're going to need a set of pliers, and these are the ones that I'm using. Alright, some rags. Alright, and what I used is a 3/8 inside diameter clear rubber hose. Alright, so what I did is there's this two lines. It's hard to show down here. Anyways, they're right here. These two lines. Oh, I can't do that. Anyways, right there. So they're coming from the transmission. Alright, so you can use these points to fill, or I'm sorry, to drain your transmission fluid. Now for this vehicle, they got one line going in through here, and these are low pressure, right? And then the other one comes along, and if you follow it, that's what you should be seeing. So right now, that's how I have it set up. Alright, with just the clear hosing set up with on that, and it's directly going into the bucket. Just taped it right there. Alright, and this won't drain much. Alright, since it's going through. But this is the clear hose is what's coming on. Alright, so in this bucket specifically, got it from you can get it from any store really. Walmart, Lowe's, Home Depot. Anyways, it has a marker line. This is what I go off of. So the way I'm doing this, just to expedite the process, and I don't want to let it go below 2 quarts, is, and I already did 1 quart to show you. And you can do it with 1 person yourself or 2 people. Not that big of a deal. Anyways, you start your vehicle, alright? And as you can see, it's starting to flow from that clear hosing. See that? It's darker right there. And I use the line to make sure I'm not going below 1 quart. Alright, so that's really, so right now it should be at 2 quart. It's right at the 2 quart line. So I don't want to let it go below 1 quart for the transmission. Alright, so after this, I turn off the car, come back up, use 1 quart of my transmission fluid, throw it in the dipstick, and then repeat the process for about 8 quarts. Or until I see, or I like the color that's coming out for the fluid. So let me know if you got any questions. There's different ways of doing this. I find this to be the easiest with myself. And so, yeah, let me know if you got any questions.